Well, we did the inside micrometer falling out of the bore test on this block the other day. Should we try it on this one? This one has fill to, well, about that far from the deck. 3/4 of an inch. A little bit deeper on the inside valley side. Maybe 1.25 inches. There's probably less likely that it's going to fall on this one, but let's find out. Nope, significantly more rigid. And you can see because it's from that fill in there, we're having the cylinder wall be more stable. Now this block has thinner cylinder walls than that one does, but it's more rigid because of the fill.